summer drink days are on at McDonald's McCafe. Grab a
Please stand by for a national alert ready activation. Please stand by for a national alert ready activation. Please stand by for a national alert ready activation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Alert Ready system has been activated due to some unfortunate and bone-chilling news. A few hours ago, we have received a message from the Prime Minister that says the following. Dear Canadians, what I am about to share to you all will be the worst that has ever come to our glorious nation. Throughout the past few days, people have spotted unknown entities roaming across the nation that would kill anyone in their path. These entities would have red eyes, peeled off skin, unusually fast crawling, an extreme appetite for human flesh, and bone-chilling growling. The Canadian government tried to launch a shitload of missiles to stop these creatures. However, this has only worsened the situation. I am sorry to say, but this is the end of our glorious nation. We have already sealed the entire nation to protect the other nations across the world. To those still listening, thank you for being part of our nation, and goodbye to all of you. That was the message from the Prime Minister of Canada. This message will now play in French. Good luck surviving.
Mesdames et messieurs, le système Alert Ready a été activé en raison de nouvelles malheureuses et effrayantes. Il y a quelques heures, nous avons reçu un message du Premier ministre qui dit ce qui suit. Chers Canadiens, ce que je m'apprête à partager avec vous tous sera le pire qui soit jamais arrivé à notre glorieuse nation. Au cours des derniers jours, des personnes ont repéré des entités inconnues errant à travers le pays qui tueraient quiconque se trouverait sur leur chemin. Ces entités auraient les yeux rouges, la peau décollée, rampées inhabituellement vite, une apathie extrême pour la chair humaine et des grognements glaçants. Le gouvernement canadien a essayé de lancer un tas de missiles pour arrêter ces créatures. Cependant, cela n'a fait qu'aggraver la situation. Je suis désolé de le dire, mais c'est la fin de notre glorieuse nation. Nous avons déjà scellé la nation entière pour protéger les autres nations à travers le monde. À ceux qui écoutent encore, merci de faire partie de notre nation. Et au revoir à vous tous. C'était le message du Premier ministre du Canada. Bonne chance pour survivre.
Oh Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all thy sons command. With glowing hearts we see thee rise, the true north strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand our God for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
This is an Alberta emergency alert. The Canadian government has issued a national emergency regarding the situation that has occurred throughout the past few days. Earlier today, The Canadian government tried to launch nuclear missiles to stop the creatures that have been roaming around the country but have unfortunately failed to obliterate these entities and have only worsened the situation. The entirety of Canada is now sealed and all hope has been lost to stop these creatures from taking over the entirety of Canada. To those still listening to this message, be prepared for your final moments as these creatures would eventually kill the entire country of Canada within the next 5 to 10 years. If you want to, you can commit suicide if you are extremely stressed out from this situation. These creatures have red eyes, peeled off skin, extremely fast crawling, an appetite for human flesh, and bone-chilling growlings. If you make physical contact with one of these creatures, you will not be able to stop them from killing you. This concludes the final broadcast of the Alberta Emergency Alert System. God bless our nation.